Hey guys, my name is Megan. Welcome to Treat Yourself, the holiday edition. Today, for this special holiday episode, we are going to be making spiced rum Snickerdoodle cookies. So to make these cookies, what you're gonna need is classic cookie ingredients, basically flour, brown sugar, white sugar, milk and eggs, and butter, baking powder, baking soda, all of your spices, so your cinnamon, your ginger, your nutmeg, some vanilla extract. And then for your icing, you're gonna be needing some corn syrup, some powdered sugar, and some milk. And of course, what are spiced rum Snickerdoodles without spiced rum? So we're using Captain Morgan for this one. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, I've never made Snickerdoodle cookies before. I do believe in myself. I think I can. However, I also don't really have a recipe, so we're winging it today. We're under fire from Annie, our marketing director, who said, get your shit together. We need a holiday special. So here we are. How about shots though? Y'all down? All right, we're gonna start it off with shots as usual. We're doing something kind of illegal today and taking shots of brandy. Listen. We got what we got, and that's just how it's gonna be. Here you go, ma'am.
Thank you.
And for you.
Oh, this is the hard part that we can never do.
I know.
Y'all are very far
We
apart.
always try.
Here,
Oh.
she sacrificed. It's actually not that bad. Hell yeah. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do to make the Snickerdoodles is we're just going to combine cinnamon and sugar to make the little topping. Just put an amount of sugar in the bowl that you feel good about. That could be different for, for different people, that's fine. And cinnamon. As usual, I like a ton of cinnamon in most things. And I'm gonna tiny whisk that up. We're gonna just set that aside for now and move on to mixing our dry ingredients. So we're starting with 2 cups of flour, small bowl into a small bowl, okay. It's fine. We are then doing a 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And then we're just gonna add our spices in varying quantities of whatever we want. I'm doing cinnamon. I'm gonna add a little bit of ground ginger.
The way that showed up on camera though, was just like this white light. She's like,
What the fuck? Chaos immediately. I'm gonna add some ground ginger to this as well, but I'm really just gonna add a little bit because this is very strong. And then a little bit of nutmeg. Same with this, nutmeg's kind of strong to me. So I'm gonna whisk all of these together, try and get out as many of the lumps as I can. So I'm gonna then set this aside. All right, next up, we're going to mix our wet ingredients. This is a 1/2 cup of butter at room temperature. So I'm gonna start with that and the sugar, 1 cup of sugar, and I'm going to beat those together with this. I'm gonna whisk it together with the electric mixer, so I'm gonna do that. Oh, it's gonna go everywhere. Please hold, sorry. Be careful, don't be stupid. This butter might not have been soft enough. Not gonna lie, it's okay. You know what I'm gonna do to help this process along just a little bit? Probably shouldn't do this, but guess what? I'm going to. Prematurely add some liquor. Again, just should not be this hard.
It wasn't ready.
It wasn't ready, the butter was not ready. It's okay though. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add in the brown sugar also, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And I'm just gonna add in some vanilla as well. This is vanilla bean paste, so I'm just gonna pour a little bit of that in there. Ooh, that was a lot. Continue with this. Amazing, wonderful. From here, I'm gonna add the rum. We're just gonna go for it. So you want it to taste like rum. It's like the point. Or else it just bakes out and it tastes like regular cookie, which is also delicious. All right, to this, I'm going to add our 1 egg and whisk it back some more. All right. That is looking pretty good. So from here, I'm just going to mix into this our dry ingredients, combine it all together, and that should be our dough. No recipe, but we got the fucking dough. Here is our cookie dough, nice and mixed. There is some flour on the side of the bowl. Come on, sorry. So this is our finished cookie dough. We're gonna let it sit in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes or so. It's a little soft. We're gonna do that, but first, we're gonna taste the cookie dough because who doesn't love cookie dough, especially with cinnamon and rum in it. Cookie dough time.
you can totally taste the rum. What are
You
talking
taste
about?
it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah?
That's really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It hits, right? After a second, you're like, there it
No,
is.
but you can taste the rum in that, but it's perfect. It's not too much.
We're gonna chill while we chill. Actually, I'm gonna put it in the freezer. I just decided that. I just changed my mind. Meanwhile, we're gonna take, oh, shots right now, right? Rum shots? Really? Really? Yeah. Jeez.
Miserable.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah. Look at it. So cute. The little lights and the sticker and the Instagram sticker. Anyway, whatever. Follow Crude Culinary on Instagram. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm just kidding. This is probably Facebook that you're seeing it on. So you plug your show that they're already watching. Thanks for being here. Please stay. So anyway, cookies. That's the real important. So we have our cookie dough. It's nice and firm. So we're going to scoop it out. Make a little bowl. I'm going to toss it around in the cinnamon sugar, get it nice and coated and cute, but I'm gonna flatten it a little bit. So it's like a perfect little cookie shape. And that is our cookie. She cute, she adorable. So you're just gonna do that over and over, forever, until you have used all of your dough. So now that we have finished rolling out all of our cookies, we have 2 baking sheets worth. We're going to put these in the oven that we have preheated to 375 degrees for 10 minutes to start, and then we'll see what they look like from there. Meanwhile, those are baking, we're going to make our icing. To do that, we're gonna start with confectioner's sugar. You use about a cup of it. I'm just gonna eyeball it because you can kind of understand what consistency you need. We're going to add just a touch of milk. Usually it's like a couple teaspoons, but honestly, I'm gonna add some rum to this too. So I'm just like that much, literally. I'm gonna add a splash of rum also. And we're gonna add a couple tablespoons of corn syrup, which I'm also gonna eyeball. So then we're gonna whisk it up and see if we have the right consistency yet and adjust from there. I think I might need to add a little more liquid. Tiny bit of milk. To be honest, this looks great, the consistency. I'm just gonna add a touch bit more of everything so that I have a little bit more icing to work with. Oh, that was way too fucking much. God damn it.
It's like you really dumped it in there.
I mean,
You said cereal.
you said cereal. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna add some
Dang,
more.
it looked so good before too.
No, it's gonna still look good. Don't you worry. Look, she's back. To be honest, what does this taste like? Tastes like sugar. Our icing is done. Our icing is beautiful. We're waiting for our cookies to be done, and then we're gonna decorate them. And I'm so excited. These are done. So we're gonna take them out of the oven. Gonna let them sit and chill for a minute. Oh, Jesus, my glass is fogged. Yeah, look at them. They look nice. Ooh, some of them poofed, but that's okay. They look pretty. You see how they crackled though? We're gonna leave these over here to cool for a minute. I'm gonna transfer them to this cooling rack, to be honest, so that they cool a little bit faster. And I'm dying to try one of these, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. You know how I feel about trying shit when it's too fucking hot to eat. You see that steam? Oh, fucking hair in my mouth from my own head. Yo, but these are way, oh yeah. Oh, that's excellent. Wow, no recipe. Never made these before. Try this, it's amazing. It's f***ing hot, it's gonna burn you maybe.
Is this Snickerdoodle?
What's a Snickerdoodle? You're gonna love these. You don't really get much rum.
I don't really taste that, but like, it's warm, it's gooey, it's sugary. Very good.
Eat it.
Oh.
Yep.
This rum has that nice like.
edges.
Yep.
This is a public service announcement. Don't play like Sarah McLachlan in the background.
Look like really like
Listen.
into the camera.
Okay, what do I say? We feel very strongly about this. This is a really serious issue in our country, in our world. Cookies are supposed to be chewy, even after they cool. So, that's all I gotta say.
Unless they're Oreos. Then they
That's different.
You just ruined my whole PSA. All right, we're gonna f it up. We're gonna decorate these b****s. All right, our cookies are ready. Our icing is ready. We're gonna decorate them now. But that's what you do with holiday cookies. I'm gonna start by, I'm gonna do a little half glaze. We're gonna put some sprinkles on her for cuteness. Aw, it's kind of adorable, right? I'm getting Publix vibes.
Yes.
Here's the final result of decorating all of our holiday spiced rum Snickerdoodle cookies. They're beautiful, they're cute. For not having a recipe, for not knowing what the I'm doing, honestly, I'm pretty proud. They came out great. Should we eat one now that they're like decorated and hardened icing and like the final product? And they're not too hot. Dang. Oh wow. Oh wow. It's still chewy in the middle. We did good. We listened to our own PSA. Oh my God, I'm so proud of these. They cooled off and they're still like soft and chewy in the middle with the crunchy outside. Not crunchy, but like it has that outer layer of like a little bit of crisp. Like these cookies didn't have to go this hard. It's so good.
It is very soft in the middle right now. Right. That's really good.
And this is fully cooled off. Like, I think we did it.
Have another one.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, this is so good.
These might be some of the best cookies I've made.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, these are just like cinnamon sugary delicious. Like these are so good.
Mm-hmm. I don't know, man. 2020's been a f***ed up ass year. Spend some time with your family. But like, really carefully. Like, I get a COVID test. Happy holidays. Yeah. Treat yourself to some cookies this holiday season. That's it.